All right, here we go. Let's just throttle only up this hill here. This is a pretty gnarly ride here. All right, guys, this e-bike, this Bafang motor is the coolest mid-drive motor on the market. These things are, it's 1,000 watt. It's got tons of power, especially if you're doing like technical riding up trails. Mid-drive is the only way to go. This motor is the exact same motor that they put in a lot of these higher end, like $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 e-bikes. The Bafang BBSH motor, or the BBSO3 motor, it's the same thing. The cool thing about this is you can install this just on any bike. So I mean, you just pop out your bottom bracket here, and then you throw the new one on. If you have any questions, Bafang, you can reach out to them and they'll tell you exactly which one you need for your size. But you know, there's a lot of stuff online where you can measure it, but this is just a standard size that fits like 99% of the bikes, so you're pretty safe just buying it. It probably took me like, I don't know, maybe an hour to install the whole thing. So there's like a ton of YouTube videos on how to install it. It's 100% waterproof here. This thing, I've taken it through so many puddles and just, you know, just beat the thing up, and it is just going and going. Got waterproof casing. It comes with, of course, all of these wires and everything that you run with it. You got your all your connections here are waterproof connections, of course. If you guys don't want to put the wires on the outside, you could drill a hole through your frame, and you could of course just run all the wires on the inside. But I was fine with them on the outside, and that's what a lot of people do, but you guys can make it look even prettier than I did. So but it works all the same, so just kind of, you know, personal preference. Of course, your screen, you just choose which one you want to buy with it. Again, I'll include a link in the description down below so you guys can kind of see exactly what I bought. So this kit also comes with this LED light. I mounted mine right here. Of course, you can mount yours down here, which a lot of people do, but either way works. And in order to turn that on, you'll just hit your little plus button here on the keypad, hit that and just hold that down, and then the light will just turn right on, and you got everything good to go. So all right, this is going uphill. I got my power set to 5. You can see I've got this kind of ahead of me here, so let's do it. Woo! See how fast I can get going up this hill. 20 miles an hour up the hill, not bad at all. This thing is seriously just so powerful. I love how powerful these Bafang motors are. Getting a mid-drive motor is the only way to go if you're going to be climbing hills, you know, extensively. If you're doing a little hill in the city, it's fine, but if you're going to be going up a lot of hill, especially technical riding, then that is the way to go. Is definitely a mid-drive motor there. Woo! Just like cruising up this hill, throttle only, see how far we can make it. Oh yeah! Woo! You put it on the highest level, like doing a wheelie on this thing, just like right off the get-go, it's like nothing. It's just like, it just goes. All right, so I want to show you guys how fast this thing picks up to like 20 miles an hour. It's just insane. So I got my power on 5 here, and I'm just going to use throttle only here. This is my throttle button, of course. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Just watching it go, 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 go. Boom. Just like, seriously, not even very long at all, and that's just throttle only. This thing has got some really good torque to it. And it's not even so much just about speed, it's just about durability. These Bafang motors just last. These things just fly. I'm just doing throttle only right here, and I'm just speeding along. Woo! sliding down this hill. And now I'm going 32 miles an hour, 33, just woo, as fast as I can stop. Oh yeah, just cruise on this trail right here. So this is the way to go. If you've got mid-drive, is the way to go for sure. Love cruising on these things, and just even the technical riding on the trails. I do a bit of off-trail riding too. That's 27 miles an hour right here. Just yeah. Woo! That's around the corner here. Whoa, Betsy. The thing I like about just building my own thing here is I have a really lightweight bike too, so it's just none of this really heavy stuff. Woo! Alright, I don't want to stay on the trail here, so I'm gonna just book it through these weeds. Woo! Alright, I gotta show you guys my fun little trail on my bike here. Check this out, it's just like boom and woo! 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 One thing I love about these throttles here is I can just push the throttle a little bit and it'll give me a little bit of power. Push all the way, it'll give me all full power, you know, so it's adaptive like that. So I really like that about the throttle. So woo-hoo. Cruising like 25 miles, 23, 4, 5 miles an hour on this trail here. Woo! Alright, that's throttle only, guys. Throttle only there. Just so much fun to ride. So yeah, anyway, if you guys have liked this video, then give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll be sending out some more.